Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel JK Future Tech. In this video, I will show you step by step how to download and use the WD Plus app to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, photos and videos. Let's begin. Step 1. Download the app. First open your Google Play Store. In the search bar type WD plus recover deleted messages. You'll see the app developed by RBS coders. The icon is blue and white. Tap on install and wait for the download it finish. Step 2. Open the app. Once the app is installed, tap on open. You'll see the welcome screen with the W plus logo. Now the app will ask for some permission. Let's allow them step by step. Step 3. Allow permissions. The app will ask for notification access so it can detect deleted messages, storage permission to save and recover photos or videos. Tap on allow for both options. Without these permission, the app won't work properly. Step 4. How to use the app. If they are given permission, you will see the main dashboard. Here's how you use it. Go to delete message to see message that others deleted. Go to media recovery to find deleted photos or videos. Use the status save section to download your friends' WhatsApp status. Everything is stored locally on your phone. Step 5. Test the app. To test it, ask your friend to send you a message and deleted it. Now open the WD Plus app. Tap on deleted message and you will see the deleted text there. Simple, right? Step 6. Important tips. Remember, the app only works if your notification were on before the message was deleted. It cannot recover messages that were deleted before installation. Keep the app running in the background for the best result. Step 7. Conclusion. So that's how you can easily recover deleted WhatsApp messages and media using the WD Plus app. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment if you want to me review more such apps. See you in the next video.